Hello everyone. Welcome to this presentation on Nature and Style of Sensible Writing, Part 2. I am MD. Arif Mondal, and today we will explore essential techniques that can help improve writing in essays. Using evidence is crucial to support arguments. Evidence can take many forms: data from studies, quotes from literature or historical records, personal anecdotes. Why is evidence important? It helps strengthen your thesis and makes your writing more credible. In academic writing, providing well-researched evidence proves that your arguments. The first type of evidence is analogical evidence. This type of evidence supports an argument by making a comparison. Anecdotal, a personal experience or story, your own research, or example, that illustrates your point. Hypothetical, logical, a reasoning or argument that uses logic to support your claim. Statistical, data from research studies or surveys that support your argument. Testimonial, a quote from an expert or someone with first-hand experience that supports your argument. An introduction is the first paragraph of your paper and should attract the reader's attention with a hook, a fact, a rhetorical question, or an anecdote. Provide background information to introduce the topic. Clearly state the thesis, the main idea of the paper. Let's break down this introduction into three key parts. Hook, the first sentence asks, do you use social media, apps, or YouTube? This grabs attention and makes the topic relatable. Focus topic and context. The paragraph explains that while technology is often criticized, it can also be a powerful educational tool for children. Thesis statement. The last sentence presents the main argument. Technology and screen time can help children excel academically. A conclusion wraps up your writing by restating the thesis in a rephrased manner, summarizing key points to reinforce the argument, providing a final thought that leaves a lasting impression. A well-crafted conclusion. In this conclusion, we see three key components. Rephrased thesis statement. The first part restates the main argument. Technology enhances education, helps develop skills, and expands learning opportunities. Summary of main ideas. This section reinforces how technology supports learning through tools like television programs and apps, making education more accessible and effective. Significance of the argument. 10 tips to help you improve your English writing skills. 1. Write in English every day. This is the most important tip to improve your writing skills in English. Start by thinking of a theme, for example. 2. Ask someone to check your writing. If you're studying at an English language school, you could ask. 3. Improve your vocabulary. Having a wide range of vocabulary is very important when you're writing in English. An excellent way to improve. 4. Use a dictionary. You might feel that using a dictionary when you write is cheating, but think again. It is actually a great way to improve your vocabulary and practice. 5. Check your writing carefully. After you have written something in English, you should always read it again, either straight away or the next day. When you do this, you will probably. 6. Write about different topics. If you write about the same thing every day, you could become very bored, and you might end up using this. 7. Do your homework. If you have classes at an English language school, your teacher probably gives you writing homework to do. It is really important that you do. 3. Improve your vocabulary. Having a wide range of vocabulary is very important when you're writing in English. An excellent way to improve your vocabulary is to read as much as possible. 9. Write a blog. It doesn't even matter if no one reads it, but writing a blog is a great way to practice writing in English. Set yourself a goal, for example. 10. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's easy to decide not to do any English writing, as you are worried that you will make lots of mistakes. However, the more you write. Importance of revision. Proofread your work. Revise for clarity and conciseness. Common mistakes to avoid. Overcomplicated language. Poor sentence structure. Lack of organization. Conclusion. Sensible writing is clear, concise, and engaging. By following these principles, you can communicate